Hi cyber sisters and misters, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, but it feels great to be back. It really does. In today's video, I'll review this gorgeous unit. If you'd like to hear more about her, stay with me. These are the curly fro and the drawstring ponytail by Mayde. You can check out my review on the ponytail in a separate video tutorial. I'll be sure to list it in the DB. If you're new to this channel, I'm Nick. Thanks for tuning in. So, first off, this hair is super soft, it's fluffy, it's big. This is by Mayde Beauty Wig. This one is the curly afro. It's in number 4. There's no specific length listed on the info card. So let's get right into it. Straight out of the pack, it's clear. This is a small cap. For larger head girls, I already know this is a small cap. This may or may not fit my head properly. I don't know. I haven't tried it on yet. Look at the inside of this. This is tiny. This is tiny compared to my head size. It's soft. And it's so super duper fluffy. I like that about it. The curls are super springy. It's a very loose curl, a very soft curl even. So my guess is that this unit is similar to the texture of 2 to 3, late 2, early 3 hair texture. This will be a quick protective style, and that is if I like it on me in particular, and we'll see. So let's get started. So when you're putting on a wig, always start with the back first. You pull the back on and then pull the front part forward. Simple, simple. There's no hair combs or anything in this cap. I knew this was a small cap. This is snug, guys. This is super duper snug on my round head. Super snug. And it's darker than I thought it was. Whew. This is some big hair, guys. It's super soft. This is what I was talking about. It's super soft and flowy. It really, really moves. Not much to do but pick it out. I kind of want to really pick it out. I want to brush it out. This unit was $24 in my local beauty supply store. Whew. Tiny head. This is not even covering my entire head, guys. So I'm going to give her a good haircut and style her out. I think this would be the perfect texture for the half up, half down style that I like to wear sometimes. And check out how springy this hair is. It's so similar to natural hair. It really has that snapback effect. This isn't a hair cutting tutorial, but to give you an idea of how I'm deciding to cut her, I'm envisioning a heart and I'm mimicking that shape while cutting. Here's look number 1. Now this is a fro. It looks so delicious. Juicy, frolicious. Ow. Yeah, baby. So I'm gonna take it off and do the half up, half down style that I like to do. For spraying this water will just activate some of the product that I currently have on it. And all that's in my hair really is moisturizer, gel activator moisturizer. Style factor edge control. I'm just spraying it with aloe vera juice. Now I'm going to clip it so that it will be tight. Back first. Just kind of doing a part from ear to ear. I'm going to put it on and stop it right here where the part is. And I do want that part to show, so I'm going to be sure to push it back a little bit after I get my ponytail up here at the top. Now I'll secure her with bobby pins to separate the front and back section. You see how that part is showing there? That's definitely what you want to show. It just makes it look more natural. The purpose of the hairpins is definitely to keep the wig at a specific point, not so much to keep it on my head because it's not going anywhere. It's connected to my hair right here. Just take my ponytail back down. Now I can pull it down at this point. And I'm using these super small bobby pins, the super short one. Super short versus super long. Well, look, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel. It kind of tells the principal that the teacher's here doing her job in the classroom, so to speak. Subscribe if you're new, and also smash that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Bellify. Am I the only one who absolutely loves fluffing mousse out in my hands? I know it's weird, but I absolutely love it. It's so fluffy and pretty. It's like a creamy cloud. Now, because the ends of this hair was much curlier than the roots, I'm adding this mousse just to get that curl to pop on the ends again, because I cut off most of the curl, and this is just redefining it. And here's the final look for style number 2. I love, love, love all things hair. I enjoyed making this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. If so, tell a friend to tell a friend. I want you to like. I want you to subscribe. I want you to share this video. I asked for a whole lot, huh? Well, these videos take a whole lot to create and a lot of love to make great. So leave me a nice, juicy, a lovable, juicy comment. None of those one-word side items. Cute, nice, beautiful. Leave me an entire entree in the comment section, okay? Give me 3, 4, 5, 6, a 6-sentence comment or something like that, okay? I'm joking, and I thank you all for all of your comments and feedback. Thanks for all of the interaction on this channel. Until next time, I'm Sunkissednic. I thank you so much for choosing this channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Click the link for another classy, sassy hair tutorial or a session of Sunkissed Says.